with guys is easier than you think. Most people overcomplicate it. You don't need cheesy lines, you don't need to act like someone else. You just need a few simple signals that say, I'm open, I'm interested. Let's break it down. First, start small. Hold eye contact for just a second longer than you normally would. Give a quick, genuine smile, look away, and then look back. That tiny loop is a powerful green light, and it's one most guys understand. If you're in person, try angling your body toward him. If you're texting, the key is to keep the messages short and upbeat. Remember, the goal here is not perfection. The goal is warmth. Second, bring some playful energy. This is not a job interview. It's supposed to be a light moment between two people. So make one small joke or just react to his. You can even add a little tease, something that's kind, not harsh. Like, wow, an expert coffee order. Do you practice that in the mirror? Then smile. That playfulness says, I enjoy this moment. And people are always drawn to whoever feels enjoyable to be around. Third, use compliments that actually count. Skip the generic, you're cute. Make it specific and keep it simple. That color blue looks great on you. Or, you have a really calm voice, I like it. Or even, I like how you explain things. Specific compliments land because they show you're actually paying attention. One honest line is all it takes. Then just move on with the conversation. Fourth, let your body language do the heavy lifting. When you talk, face him. When he's speaking, lean in just slightly. Nod to show you're engaged. And if it feels natural, a brief touch on the arm during a laugh can amplify that connection instantly. You don't need to force any of this. Your body can quietly say, I'm comfortable with you. That message is incredibly powerful. Fifth, ask easy questions. Keep them open, but not super deep. Think, what's your go-to weekend plan? Or best thing you've watched lately? Even just, are you a coffee or a tea person? Then, actually listen to the answer. Reflect one small detail back. That makes sense. You seem like a morning person. This shows you're paying attention without making it feel like an interrogation. Sixth, mirror and match. This is a subtle one. Gently match his pace, his tone, his energy.
If he's calm and relaxed, you don't need to be loud and over the top. If he's excited about something, you can raise your energy a little to meet his. Mirroring helps people feel seen and understood. It just lowers the social friction and makes the whole moment feel easy. Seventh, create a small moment of mystery. You don't have to lay out your entire life story in the first 5 minutes. Share one interesting detail, then hold back a little. Maybe you say, that's a travel story for another time, or there's a reason I always choose the window seat. That little bit of mystery invites curiosity, and curiosity is what keeps conversations going. And eighth, end on a high note. Don't wait for the interaction to fizzle out. Close the moment while it still feels fun and engaging. A simple, it was really nice talking to you, or let's pick this up again later. You could even use a playful callback like, text me that coffee order, I'll need to review it. A light, easy exit keeps the door open for next time. Now, a quick reset if you're feeling nervous. Before or even during the conversation, just do this. Breathe in for 4 seconds, hold it for 4, and breathe out for 4. Drop your shoulders, unclench your jaw, plant your feet on the ground. Your body tells your brain you're safe. Confidence will follow. So let's just recap the toolkit. Small signals, playful energy, specific compliments, open body language, easy questions, gentle mirroring, a hint of mystery, and ending while it's still fun. Remember, flirting is not a performance. It's not a test you can fail. It's just a spark. You don't have to be the most interesting, witty person in the room. You just need to be present, warm, and a little bold. So try one signal today, just one smile, one specific compliment, one light touch on the arm if it feels right. You'll be surprised how quickly the energy can change. Flirting with guys is easier than you think. Start small, keep it light, let your curiosity lead, and let the moment be enough.